In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Microsoft Teams app on your iPad. This guide will walk you through each necessary step to download, install, and start using the app efficiently. Let's dive straight into it. First, grab your iPad and open the App Store. This is the iOS hub where all apps are located and the place where you'll find Microsoft Teams. Before diving into the installation, ensure your iPad is compatible. Microsoft Teams is designed to work on devices using the last two major iOS versions, so you'll want to make sure your device is up to date. Once you're in the App Store, head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Microsoft Teams and tap the search button. Normally, Teams will appear at the top of the search results. However, if it's not the first one you see, don't worry. Just scroll until you find Microsoft Teams published by Microsoft Corporation. After you've located the correct app, look for the download icon and tap it. This action will begin downloading and installing Microsoft Teams onto your device. Depending on your internet speed, the download should be completed within a few minutes. You might be asked to accept certain permissions during the installation process, so keep an eye out for those pop-up prompts. When the app has finished installing, it's time to open it. You can open Microsoft Teams directly from the App Store by tapping Open, or navigate back to your home screen and find the icon for Microsoft Teams. Now, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft Teams. Go ahead and enter your email or phone number associated with the account you wish to use. Once you've entered those details, tap Sign In. If you're installing Teams for either work or school, make sure to use the appropriate work or school email account. In case you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can also sign up for free right from the app. Simply tap Sign Up for Free and choose whether you'll be using Teams for personal or business purposes. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account by entering your details and setting up a password. After creating your account or signing in, you'll need to type in your password when prompted. Then tap Sign In to complete the login process. In situations where you forget your password, the Forgot My Password option will help you recover it. If a welcome tour pops up, feel free to go through it to get acquainted with some of Teams' features. At the end of this tour, and possibly after accepting a privacy statement, you'll be all set. Congratulations! You are now ready to start using Microsoft Teams. Explore the app, get familiar with its features, and enjoy the full range of functionality that this powerful tool offers, from creating teams and scheduling meetings to adding guests and sharing files. Thanks for spending this time with me. I hope this guide has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy teaming!